Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview Help Center for tutorials and guides. Alright, this is going to be a very quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the Help Center. So you can access the Help Center by clicking on the Help button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to search for tutorials and guides. So you can just go ahead and search for tutorials and guides in the Help Center to learn more about Tradingview's features and tools. Step 3 is going to be to watch video tutorials and webinars. So you can go ahead and watch video tutorials and webinars in the Help Center to learn more about Tradingview's features and tools. And final step will be to contact Tradingview support if you have need for further assistance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview Help Center for tutorials and guides. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.